Welcome to Learn Sentence with Biology. Today we will learn Grade 10, Bio, Chapter 1, Introduction to Biology. Let's start.
Taxonomy. The science of classification of organisms is taxonomy. 1.2.1 Diversity of organisms. There are vast numbers of living things in the world. The word biodiversity is a short form of biological diversity, which means that the abundance of different types of species.
Scientists are not aware just how many different types of organisms exist in nature. It is because previously unknown species are being discovered all the time. 1.2.2 Taxonomy in the study of biology. Classification is essential to biology because there are too many different living things to sort out and compare unless they are organized into manageable categories.
With an effective classification system in use, it is easier to organize the ideas about organisms and make generalizations. The scheme of classification has to be flexible, allowing newly discovered living organisms to be added into the scheme where they fit best. As living and extinct species are related, fossils should also be considered in this scheme.
You have completed today's lessons. Don't forget to subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.